Hey guys, Taylor here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome hexagon shelves. I used 1x4s from Home Depot for this project. You'll need about 6 6-foot 1x4s for this, or 4 8-foot 1x4s. As always, I set my table saw using my digital angle finder. I like to set mine just below 60 degrees for hexagons. Just under 60 degrees will make sure that the edges always line up nicely. I first cut the 1x4s in half so they were easier to work with. I cut 6-inch pieces for this project, which makes 14-inch wide hexagons, but you can easily adjust the size to your liking. After the first cut, I simply flipped the board over and continued cutting 6-inch pieces, flipping after each cut. I'm making 5 hexagons, so we'll need a total of 30 pieces, 6 inches each. I used 1 1/4 inch brad nails and Type on 3 wood glue to secure the hexagons together. I braced each wood joint with a scrap piece of wood with the same angle while I nailed them together. This also makes it easier to see the two joints line up. Once the glue was applied, I lined up the joint and secured with 3 brad nails. Then I continued on until all the pieces were glued together, and then wiped away any excess wood glue with a wet towel. Once the hexagons were put together, I let the glue dry for 24 hours and then sanded them down to 120 grit. Next up is the stain. I used a Varathane special walnut stain for these shelves. Simply open, stir for about 30 seconds, and then apply. I like to use a foam brush for stain application, but you could also use a tack cloth or a scrap piece of cloth. Then just wipe away any excess stain. Once the hexagons were stained, I let them dry for 24 hours and then applied 2 light coats of polyurethane. After the polyurethane had completely dried, I went on to attach sawtooth hangers on the back of each shelf. I like to make a slight indentation with a nail punch in each hole position, as this allows for the screw to line up better once you're drilling them in. And just like that, our hexagons are ready for hanging. The great thing about these is you can position them in any configuration you like and add or remove hexagons whenever you like. I hope you liked this project. If you did like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.